Hey everybody, Ryan here with the Lawn Channel, doing a quick update today on the sprigging or stolonizing project. And we're going to go over there and show you kind of what's going on, and then we're going to put a little fertilizer on it, so see you there. So this is the fertilizer that I'm using. It's a 20-20-20 water soluble fertilizer. So we've got 20% nitrogen, phosphate, and potash, and all this is fast acting nitrogen, and we're actually going to spray this on there at a pound. We got 1,500 square feet, so we're probably going to put about a pound or so of product and spray once a week. And that advice is from some people from the lawn forum who have done grow-ins with sprigs and stolons, so we'll see how that helps everything move along.
Okay guys, so just to go in a little more detail about the 20-20-20 combo here and why I'm spraying it, a guy named Green Doc on the lawn forum, he suggests and talks about how when you don't really have any grass, you don't have any leaves or anything to absorb a lot of the nutrients in the ground, they kind of just get washed away. So by spraying this onto the sprigs, it really helps the sprigs pull in the nutrients, and whatever is left will be in the ground for the root system. But it's just a more efficient way to get your fertilizer and your nutrients out because you don't lose near as much. And it's really hard to put the small amounts that we're putting by spraying in granular form. So this really just helps to make sure that we're not wasting any nutrients. So I just wanted to clear that up as far as why I'm using the 20-20-20. And if you're doing your own grow-in or something, that's something that you could possibly use as well.
So if you look at this stuff, this fertilizer, it's actually blue. So that's pretty interesting. So I guess it has a natural dye. So cool. Did not know that. So I'm doing 2 gallons to the pound of this, and also I got my irrigation coming on every hour or two, so we should be good there. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a look here, and I'm kind of tugging on these and it's not giving. It's tacked down in all these places. This one right here, it's really harder to show it, but you can feel it. Now I went pretty light with my sprigs here, but I mean this one is super tacked down. Let's see if you can see how it just flexes there. I just kind of broke it loose a little bit. All these are tacked down. Some still have some green, but hoping this goes well. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just going to leave you here with a video of me spraying the product out. The dye in the product, yeah, it is dye. It did stain my hands a little bit, but it's not enough to really see any blue coming out of your sprayer because of the amount of water that you add. So I added 2 gallons of water per pound of product there, and it really just diluted it down. So if you want to see where you're spraying, I would add some dye to that. I accidentally watered this in afterwards. I'm not sure if that's good or bad, so I think I need to let it sit on the sprigs for just a little bit. So next time I'll do that. Again, if you enjoyed the video, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more like these. I appreciate it. Have a good day.